You must have to take a picture here. That is the most important thing. Wow, this is beautiful. What a view. The Sekumpul waterfall is over there as well. So almost after 5 hours we reached here. I mean, just look at this path. Quite scary, right? And very steep as well, yes. Wow.
Very steep.
Can you believe it?
Just relax.
Yeah. And if you want to come to adventurous places, you will have to come to cross this. Yeah, I have to be careful. Wow, the way is quite dangerous. Unbelievable, wow. Finally! Yeah! It's beautiful! Amazing! Wow, that was just amazing. The best experience ever. Beautiful. I took some pictures as well because you must have to take a picture here. That is the most important thing. You cannot miss that. And especially you will have to pay, I think 15k or 20k. Yes, I think 20k, something like that, for the ticket to take picture with this lovely monument. The Gate of Bali. Oh, this is beautiful. What a view. There is the ocean. And if I'm not mistaken, the Sekumpul waterfall is over there as well. But look at just the view. Isn't this beautiful? Yes. Beautiful view ever. Almost after 5 hours we reached here. Actually, on the way we missed a road. Finally we reached here, and now I am with my driver, the guide one. And now we are going towards Waterfall Sekumpul. Yes, so now we are going there because now it's getting already the evening time. I think it will be off after 1 hour, but yeah, still we have 1 hour. So yeah, let's explore. I mean, just look at this path. For us it's quite scary, right? Wow, it's quite narrow. You will have to be careful.
Yeah. So this is small road.
Yes, it's very small.
Very steep.
And very steep as well, yes. Wow.
Very
Can you
slippery.
believe it?
Just relax.
Yeah. But of course the driver is, I mean, experienced one. Time to go up. Seriously, this is the best adventure of my life. I never ever had this kind of adventure in my life. Wow.
Okay, finish.
Okay, here? Yeah.
Waiting there.
Okay, so here, according to the guide and driver, he said I need to get down here, and the views are just superb. I think after this we will have to follow this way. Hello, how are you doing?
Just keeping my water.
Ah, I see, I see. What time it will be off?
Around 7.
Around 7?
Yeah.
So we still have a lot of time, right?
Yes.
Yes, of course, you are right. Yeah, according to him, that's why you will need a guide, because without guide you cannot make it.
Yeah.
Wow. And just look down there. It's like a jungle. Beautiful. Wow, this place giving me goosebumps. Beautiful. Seriously. I mean, I used to always think that in Bali mostly you can find beautiful beaches, but no, it's not just about beach, it's beautiful thing. Yes. And now I totally don't regret that it took more than 4-5 hours because of this thing. I don't regret. This is the best thing. Beautiful view. This is unbelievably beautiful. Yes. Seriously, I can't hold myself. That's why I want to record this in my phone as well. Wow, can you believe it? This kind of views you can only enjoy in Bali. Beauty. The road is especially, I mean, it's not a road like, but the way it's quite steep. You will have to be so much careful. But seriously, the atmosphere, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Yeah, trust me, it's the most beautiful thing ever. Looking just amazing. Yeah, so if you come here, they will give you a guide, and that's why they will charge you some money. Because without guard, you cannot go alone. The way it's quite steep, you will have to be so careful. So that's why the guide, he will guide you. Yeah. But this kind of views I'm seeing in my life for the first time. It's just superb, amazing. The best feeling ever and the best adventure ever in my life. Yeah, without any doubt. Greenery everywhere. I'm speechless. Just look down there. I don't know how to explain this kind of beauty. Trust me, because in my life I have never ever seen this kind of beauty, this kind of beautiful places. This is just superb, amazing. That is why Indonesia is called the wonderful Indonesia. Yes, without any doubt, it's the wonderful Indonesia. But as I said earlier, you will have to be very careful because the way is quite steep. The stairs, we are coming down, going near the waterfall. I'm watching my steps as well because actually, as you can see, they are wet. So they are quite slippery. So that's why you will have to be extra cautious. You need to take every step very carefully. Yeah. Just look at these beautiful sceneries, the jungle, the waterfall sound. Wow. Trust me, you cannot ask for more. This is the best thing in Bali. I mean, I came to Bali so many times. This is like my third time, but I never experienced this. This is the first time I am experiencing this. That's why I am just speechless. Lovely. If you want to come to adventurous places, you will have to come to cross this. Now I'm crossing this as well. As you can see, actually I'm holding my camera as well, and yeah, I have to be careful because it's quite Oh, there are stones, and I'm not wearing my shoes because the guide asked me to remove your shoes. That's why you have to be extra careful. Wow. Yeah, I hope this thing finish quickly. Yeah, finally. Wow, the way is quite dangerous. Yeah, this will happen if you want to follow adventure. This is the part of adventure. You will have to get ready. Yeah. Wow. Someone help me. Yeah, it's okay. I'm good. I'm a strong man. Finally, I made it. And as you can hear, a noise of the waterfall. Now I'm getting closer. Yeah. Wow. This is beauty. Unbelievable. Wow. Beautiful. It's amazing. Again, you have to be extra careful because once again I'm crossing this. That's why, yeah, extra caution. Ooh. Take every step slowly and carefully, and you will get to your destination. Finally. Yeah, this is beautiful, amazing. Yes, the most beautiful thing ever I saw in my life in Bali. And there is the water is coming also towards us. Maybe you can see on camera as well. But trust me, this is beautiful. It's the most beautiful thing ever. As you can see, as I said earlier, there is so much water coming on me. Yeah, because it's quite high. That's why the water is coming on me. And now it's my time that I enjoy this beautiful adventure. So here I came to another one. This one is the small one. The earlier one, the winds, actually they were quite high. And due to this reason, I was not able to record. Why? Because it was so much water. I was getting so much wet and it was so hard for me. So mostly in there I just enjoyed myself. This one, because it's as you can see, it's the small one. So that's why, yes, you can enjoy more this one. It won't make you so much wet. But seriously, this is such a beautiful adventure. This is one of the best adventure of my life. Though the way coming down, it's quite hard. It's not that easy. But still, yeah, at the end you won't regret that. You would really enjoy that. Some other guys also, they are coming. But everyone, if someone wants to come here, they must have a guide. Without guide, it's impossible that you come here. In fact, they will not allow. So yeah, it's beautiful. I'm really enjoying myself. Just look at the jungle, the views, they're quite amazing. And if someone wants to swim, they can swim there as well. It's not that deep. So yeah, I'm really enjoying myself. Today was the best day. in Bali. I never thought in Bali you can find these kind of places, but yeah, of course. And the guy told me that there are so many, not just this one, but this one is in fact the highest one. Not this one, actually the earlier one. The one I showed earlier, that one is the highest one. And he said that there are some others also. So yeah, this is the scene. I'm really enjoying myself here. And it's very beautiful. The views, they are just amazing. Breathtaking views. So this is it for today. Now it's already getting evening time, and yeah, better I should go back, because from here Seminyak is almost, you can say, almost more than 2 hours. Earlier also it took almost 4-5 hours. Yeah, because we lost the way. This time as well it could take more than 2 hours, so that's why I need to go. So this is it for today. This is Salman, and I'll catch you in the next one.